Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. First, we have to work this. 2 over 7 multiplied by 7. We can easily cancel this 7 and this 7. It equals 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. But this is not correct answer because multiplication and division have equal priorities. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. Here we have to use key CF rule. Key stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Here first we have to write 6 and we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 3 over 7, 2 over 7, and when we flip it, it equals 7 over 2 multiplied by 7. Here first we have to work this, and we can simplify this 6 and 2. Here 3 remains, and 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. First we have to work this. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. 21 multiplied by 7. This equation, this equals 149. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer for this problem is 147. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.